show you a neat little thing here. We're going to show you and prove to you that Vacations Royale will save you thousands of dollars a year if you're just a normal person out there that does a little bit of traveling and maybe takes a vacation once in a while. So let's take a look at this here. Okay, this is our savings calculator. And this is your yearly savings that we're going to look at here. So let's talk about weekly number of times you go out to lunch. All right, well, I'm just going to say, I don't know, let's say twice a week. Number of adults, two. All right, so that's a savings of $832 a year already. You know why? Because Vacations Royale not only saves you money on vacations and excursions and activities and trips and car rentals and all that stuff, but it also saves you on food and eating out at restaurants. All right, now number of times you go out to dinner per week. Oh, well, let's just say once, and let's just say two people, right? All right, two adults. All right, now we're up to a savings of $2,392. That's just on eating food at restaurants. Okay, number of recreational activities. All right, let's just say um, one a week. Well, let's just skip it. All right, yearly number of theme parks. Well, most people go to maybe one of these a year. All right, and we'll just say number of adults. We'll say one, and then we'll say, take a couple of kids, right? One park for two children. All right, rounds of golf. Well, I'm a golfer, so I'll just say rounds of golf per year. Oh, we'll just say 10. How's that? Okay, number of adults, just one. And then we had number of cruises. Okay. Well, if you take one cruise a year and you got two adults, all right. Now we're up to a savings of $3,000. Number of worldwide tours. Let's say you don't take any of those. Number of land activities like excursions, museums, and that kind of thing. So we'll just say a couple of those a year and two adults, and number of air activities like helicopter tours, balloons, and that kind of thing. Well, let's just not put anything in there. Number of water activities. Okay, well, if you take a little vacation, let's just say one a year. Let's just say a couple of adults. Okay. Number of transfers, we're not going to skip that. Number of days using a rental car. All right, well, um, I mean, if you're my age and you're visiting grandkids, you might fly someplace and rent a car, right? If you're in business, you might rent a car. So let's just put 10 days. How's that? Okay. Number of nights stayed in a hotel. Um, well, let's say if you take a vacation, and if you're with Vacations Royale, you're going to stay in at least a 4 star because you get those at 2 star rates, right? And we'll just say, oh, I don't know, 7 nights in a hotel. And let's say you do a condo, 2 bedroom, 7 nights a year for vacation or something like that. Okay. All right. Right there, we are looking at $4,812 in savings. And I think I'm looking at some conservative things here, right? So that's $4,812 in savings. That right there, just the very first year in savings for one person, is that would pay for a gold membership plus give you an extra $800 in your pocket. So here's the thing, you're going to spend that money anyway. So you might as well do it with Vacations Royale, buy a membership and start saving because this is your annual savings right here. Now, with the gold membership, you can also include two additional family members. So if maybe you've got a son and a daughter, or you've got brothers or sisters or aunts and uncles that are close, and they can use the membership even if you don't, right? So, I mean, they can do it independently of you, and you get all the reward credits, right? But let's say they each saved $4,000. That's a savings right there of about 15,000 dollars a year for three different families. And because you can include those all in your membership here with Vacations Royale. So there we go. Just a quick little demo to show you how much money Vacations Royale is saving our members and can save you money as well. All right. Thanks for watching this. Get over to one of our affiliates and get signed up in Vacations Royale.